Alright guys, good morning. I know it's been 2 years since I've uploaded a video, but I gotta do this kind of quick. So, I gotta hit the road. This is my work truck behind me. I got a package to pick up for this car. It's about a 4-hour drive to Orlando. Yeah, I didn't know the package was gonna be here, so it's kind of hectic, which is why I gotta go. I gotta pick it up today by 1 o'clock. And they called me Wednesday saying it was here. It's Friday today, so yeah, I had to put a radiator in that truck last night. But let's hit the road. Let's get this package. This is an absolute game changer for this car. It's insane. I would never have thought in my life that I would be putting this or going to pick this up or putting this on my car. Yeah, this is exciting for me. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. I gotta go pick up my girl right now. She said she wants to come with me, so I'm gonna take her. I don't think she knows the work truck doesn't have AC or radio, but we'll see. So I'll take y'all along with me. All right, so I finally picked up the surprise. It's kind of crazy, but had to stop at Giordano's. I'm in Orlando, of course. So I'm gonna update y'all when I'm back at the house. All right, so another update. We picked up the frame. Everything kind of went well with that. I went to pick it up and the dude was super confused. He thought I had a package delivered to his business and he was mad, but we ended up getting straightened out. He didn't know I was there for the frame, but we got it. We're on the way back and the tire absolutely delaminated and there's junk missing and I think it messed up the fender. So U-Haul is coming to fix that right now. But the frame is fine. The frame is fine. This thing is absolutely sick. I'll update you guys when we get the truck fixed and we're back on the road. Alright, what's going on? I'm back with another update on this. I finally got my chassis back in my garage, back home. Finally. It was a long drive and it was a long day, so I had to just get it done. I had to get it in here, and the people that helped me unload it, they couldn't be here all day, so I didn't want to record any videos of unloading it. I ran into way too many problems even getting it here, so my priority was just getting it off the truck and making sure it's in my garage, man. I have been looking at this thing the last 2 days since it came off my truck. I mean, it is beautiful. If anybody's like questioning whether they should do this, it's absolutely worth the money you spend. If you can afford it or it's something that you want to do on your car, is the direction that you want to go, 100% worth it. 100%. Just looking at this now, I haven't even touched the frame yet. It's still in the box. But I'm about to get it uncrated because I can't stand, my garage is crowded, and two, just looking at this. This thing is too beautiful to just look at. So I need to get working on it. All right, I got the thing mostly uncrated. It's basically sitting on the bottom skid, which is perfect. That's what I want. So whoever builds these crates for Roadster Shop, or if it's Roadster Shop themselves, just know that if you ever want to work in construction in Miami, you can definitely come work for me. Just let me know. This crate, or this pallet, whatever you want to call it. Oh my God, man. This pallet was definitely well built. I can tell you that for sure. I think I paid $450 to have this thing palletized. Yeah, I definitely paid like $450 to have this thing palletized, and it's absolutely worth it. Let me go ahead and show you. This is all the wood that I cut off. Now, I was using a pry bar at first to take this apart. I seriously don't recommend that. I would recommend using a skill saw like what I have over there. However, do not do what I did. I use that skill saw every day, so I'm comfortable with it. Don't do what I did in the time lapses. But this thing is absolutely amazing. You can get a way better look at it now. I'm in love, man. This is beautiful. As like a car guy, this is just, this is the peak. This is the peak. But yeah, I'm gonna finish getting it out of the pallet. What's next once I get it out of the pallet is I'm probably gonna end up having to order, I'll probably disassemble it like it is on the pallet, honestly. I think that would make it easiest for powder coating. So yeah, I'll probably leave it like this on this bottom skid. Now that I have plenty of room to walk around on either side, I'll definitely leave it like this. So I think next step is probably disassembly. I'm probably gonna go inside tonight and order new parts for it. I definitely need some hubs. These I could have used I don't think I could have used my old hubs. Those were the AFX spindles. This is a Willwood Pro spindle. So this is, I guess, a bit of an upgrade over the factory AFX spindles. So I'll definitely have to order new hubs for that. That's no problem, no big deal. But yeah, and now as like a kind of a teaser, I guess, on what I'm gonna do, you can see that. Yeah. So we kind of know where this is going. That's basically a T56, well, TKX, meaning any TK5, TK, you know, T56, whatever, transmission. And these are LS motor mounts. And they are absolutely beautiful. If I can get it to focus. And then this is a Ford 9-inch. I know a Ford going into a Chevy, but this never touched a Ford, so I'll allow it. That is a Strange 390 gear set. That's a posi traction unit designed to handle, I think, for 1500 horsepower, they said. I got the, I'm not sure if I don't know, I have to go through the order list to see what axles I ordered, but that's definitely a 390. Full four link, which is awesome. This thing, I know you can't see me right now, but this thing is just amazing. I cannot even believe that I have my hands on one of these. And I have been a huge fan of Roadster Shop for a long time. Since even before I bought my car, I was looking at the cars they did and the products that they had. It's like, I don't know, to me it's like them and Ring Brothers are like, that's who I was looking at before I had my car. So this is crazy to me that I have one of their pieces in my garage that I never thought would be going on my car. You know, I went from looking at catalogs, daydreaming, to, you know, now I actually have it in front of me, having to wait 7 months or whatever it was. 100% worth it. Man, I just can't wait. I can't even talk. I'm like excited. I'm probably gonna be coming out here all night looking at this thing, but I'm gonna get this box open actually, because I've been wondering what this was. I did see some missing hardware, just not completely installed hardware, and I'm thinking that's what that is. Maybe some instructions or something like that. I don't know. So we're gonna open it right now and see. Let's do it. So I just opened it, and it honestly, these are magazines. I definitely know what those are. Okay, so this is your seal. So your rear end, when you order these, the rear end comes dry assembled. Nothing is torqued. There's no lube. So you're gonna have to re-go through that, and that's what I was talking about with missing hardware. I figured there was something because you can see the studs are missing some nuts. But so I'm assuming that's what all this is. Yeah. So all this is our missing hardware, missing, you know. Okay, cool. That's awesome. And they included some magazines. They included some Chevy Performance magazines, which I actually used to collect these. I have pretty much every year from 2015 to like 2020, so of Chevy Performance, Hot Rod, everything. That's pretty cool. That's a Roadster Shop. It's got, I think it has my name on it. My address. I gotta be careful, because when I was first recording this on the truck and stuff, you might not see some of those clips. I didn't realize the crate had my address plastered all over it, so you might not see some of the clips of me, you know, loading it on the truck or anything like that. If it's not something I can edit out, then I'm just gonna leave it. So, but yeah, I think I'm gonna call the video there. If this is something that you like to see, or you want to see me work on this car more, you want to see this chassis go in, whatever, you can subscribe, you can like the video, you can follow me on Instagram. My car channel Instagram is 305__Mitch. I will be posting story updates on there. I'll be posting pictures, so just let me know. And you can DM me on there if you have any questions about anything. I saw a bunch of people DM me about the Detroit Speed mini tubs that I installed. I want to do a follow-up video to that, answering some of the questions, and I also want to do a follow-up video to this discussing like the pros and cons of it and why it made sense for me versus why it might not make sense for somebody else. So yeah, like and subscribe, like the video, man. I'll be posting more. I know I haven't posted in 2 years, but my life has been kind of crazy since. So yeah, man, I'm out.